Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of bryophytes. And today's aim of the practical is study of vertical section of Anthradio4 of Marchantia. Marchantia, it is a bryophytic plant. Let us see the practical of vertical section of Anthradio4. Anthradia means male gametes. Anthradio4, 4 means stalk-like structure. Anthradia producing stalk-like structure is there in the Marchantia, and that we have to study the vertical section of the Anthradio4. Let us see what is the requirement. We need the permanent slide of vertical section of Anthradio4 of Marchantia, and we need microscope to observe the slide. And in procedure, what we have to do, we have to examine the permanent slide of vertical section of Anthradio4 under the microscope. And what we have to observe in that slide, the observation is the disc is the main generative region, the disc-like structure which is present at the top of Anthradio4, and that disc, that is called receptacle. And the disc is roughly circular, that is made up of 8 lobes which are not distinct. Let us see another what we have to see in that. The ventral region of the disc is concave and the dorsal region is convex. The anthradia are situated in the tissue of dorsal region in the indistinct lobes of the disc. The vertical section of the lobe of the disc shows a series of anthradial chambers alternate to the photosynthetic chambers. The anthradial chambers means the chamber-like structure in which anthradium is produced. That anthradial chamber, it is a flask-shaped structure with an ostiole. Ostiole, it is the opening towards the dorsal surface of the disc. Okay. Next, there is a single anthradium in each of the anthradial chamber. It is very important. The older anthradium is situated towards the mother end region of the lobe, and the younger ones developed toward the peripheral region of the disc. Okay, acropetalous succession is there. The development is acropetalous. The anthradium or the male gamete of the Marchantia or the anthradium, it is oval with a short multicellular rigid stalk-like structure. It has a stalk. Next, the anthradia or male gametes are protected by a single layer of cells which is known as jacket layer. All the cells of anthradium are the anthrazoid mother cells except jacket layer cells. Okay, the anthrazoids are produced within the anthrazoid mother cell, which are biflagellate, highly coiled and unicellular structures. Okay, anthrazoid, these are the male gametes. Next, this is the photograph or the figure of vertical section of Anthradio4 of Marchantia. See, the anthradial chamber is shown, air pores are shown, ostiole is there to the anthradial chamber, and anthradia are situated inside the anthradial chamber in the photograph. And this is the photograph of single lobe of the Anthradio4. Okay, this is all about vertical section of Anthradio4 of Marchantia.